let's take a look on the 6 the best GPTs that we have available in the GPT Store. So after this video you'll not only know which ones GPTs are the best for you, but exactly how to use them A to Z in the most efficient and best way. With that being said, we can go over to the first one GPT, which will be extremely useful. To do this, we can go over to the left side of the page and click Open Sidebar, and now click Explore GPTs. And there we can exactly search for any GPT in the search box. So for that case, we'll type the dog maker. And there you can see we'll cover this one GPT, so we can click on it. And first things first, what catch our attention is a description, so we can do a lot of great stuff. Prompt to create documents such as resumes, reports and more. Export to PDF, docs, PPTX, XLSX and CSV, alright? But furthermore, if you want to have more information, we can click on the conversation starter. So what can this GPT do? So actually you can take any of your informations and convert them into the PDFs, docs, PPTX, alright, so the presentations, CSVs, but there we have the important information. Reading files. I can read and extract information from files hosted on Google Drive, OneDrive and other URL-based sources. So that's really impressive, because there we can provide to our GPT the URL, for example from the Google Drive, and it will go through it and read the entire article, for example, and then create for us the PDF file. And that's really amazing. So for that case, let's go over to our Google Drive, and there I have the article about the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini, alright? So I can go over to the file in the left top corner, click share, share with others, alright, and now copy the link. Remember to switch this option, alright, so there to anyone with the link and the viewer, so we can copy again. Go over to our GPT and type something like, create for me the PDF summary of the article inside of this link, and we can provide our link, alright, and let's run this prompt. There we have the information. I have created a summary of the article, and we can go over there by clicking on this link, alright, so let me do this and see what we have inside. Alright, so let's see. And this is something really great, alright? So there we have the summary of iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. And there we can download it, so let's see how it looks like in the PDF. So we can notice it looks even the same. And the really great fact is that it formatted our text. So for example, there we have the nice headings, for example, the different color, and there, for example, the bolded parts. So that's really amazing. You can provide any text or any informations, and for example create the presentations, CSVs, or even for example those ones like the articles in the PDFs, alright, so the summaries. And this is amazing because there you can save a lot of your time inside of it. Quick reminder, if you like my work and everything that I'm doing and you would like to receive a lot of free resources, so for example the PDFs, any files or any knowledge, alright, about the latest AI updates, please hit the subscribe button and leave the like for the YouTube algorithm. Also stay to the end of this video because at the end I have for you the gift. But let's go back now to our second one GPT that will create for us really useful diagrams and everything. So there we can visualize our any data. For that case we can type in the search box diagrams. And there you will see we have there diagrams show me. So let's click on it. And basically this is so useful GPT, because some people likes more to see something and visualize on the image than for example read. And that's me, alright, I like to see everything on the image, on the example. And there we can create the useful diagrams which can be helpful in a lot of cases. Also there you have entire types of the diagrams, for example, right? So you can choose which one you would like to create. But for me I would type something like, create for me a diagram that shows history of the mankind. And afterwards we've got something really captivating. So the diagram, of course you could for example pick the specific diagram that you would like to create, but for that case I wanted to our custom GPT pick the one that is the most relevant for this one, the diagram. So there we have the image. We can also click there to view full screen diagram. Alright, so you can see, if you would like to save it, you can screenshot it, alright, or even right click on it and save as PDF or save as other format. Even we've got the following information. You can edit this diagram by describing the changes you want to make or edit with code, alright? So there it's something really great. because there we have the entire application. And now, for example, let's take a look, for example, this part. So we have the Egyptian pyramids, and there we have the code. So there, instead of the sentence, we can type only the pyramids. And there you can see it changes right there, alright? So not even you can create like the entire diagram, but actually change inside of it a lot of different facts, alright? For example, add something, change, etc. So as I told, this is very great idea when you have any data, any text, and you would like to visualize it by this way. The next one GPT that I found really useful is the logo creator. So we can use it to generate professional logo designs and app icons. And what I like especially in this one GPT is that we have the nice user experience. So for example, we can type something like, create for me a fancy logo with palm tree sign inside. And actually there you can see we've got something that I'm speaking about. So the nice user experience, alright? So there we have the entire A to Z, like the guide with the proper questions, which on them we need only to answer, alright? So there you can see. Let's start with the general mood of the logo. Would you like it to be vibrant, neutral, serious, or we can skip all the 4 questions that we have inside? And the default option is a vibrant. So now we can do this entire process. And after it, you can see we have even the option to choose the one single logo design or whether 9 different logo designs at once. And there we can see we have different 9 logos. And it's something really captivating, and those logos are really great, so the quality is really perfect, and like we've got what I wanted, alright? So the palm sign, also when it comes to the colors, I wanted like to the Custom GPT to choose for me. So for instance, we've got this, and for me this is the great use case, because there effortlessly you can create a really beautiful logos like in one place. The next one GPT will be very great when it comes to the science-based world, alright? So there we can search about the 200 million academic papers. So use it when you want, for example, to write the article and like inside include the really professional stuff. So for example, find the science-based answers and everything like that. So actually there I have the following sentence. Find me a reference on the impact of climate change on humans. And there we can see we've got all of the informations with the like notifications about the authors, the year, everything like that. So this is great when you're, as I told, writing really like professional article and you would like to refer to some like additional knowledge. So there you can like search from the 200 million academic papers and have a lot of useful informations, and I think this is really great. The next one GPT is not as much popular as it should be, because there we have the convert anything. And there actually we can convert like any format to the other. So for example, we can convert the PDF to the JPG. For example, it supports the zips. You can actually change the format of the image. So for example, from the JPG to the PNG and everything like that. You can, for example, convert the MP4. So like this is the great tool to test it out. For instance, let's say I've got this PDF with 12 ready to use GPTs that you need to only copy and paste. And I have this in the PDF format. And I would like to buy some chance to create it like as the PNGs. So let's go to our convert anything, drop this file and type, turn it into PNG format. So there you can see we've got it. Each page of the PDF is saved as a separate PNG file. You can download them using the links below. So we have the link to the specific pages, but there what I've did, I've just like wanted to provide one link for all of the files. And there we can download all of the files with the one link. So if I click on it, it will download and there I can see what is inside. So there we've got all of the pages in the zip format. So we can look on it. For example, we've got everything like in the PNG, and that's something really perfect because there you can save a lot of your time. And as I told, if you want to have other format of the file, you can go over there and like transform it with no effort. And the last one GPT for today's video will be for writing the SEO optimized content, alright? So there you can provide, for example, your product descriptions, titles, subtitles, everything like that. Also the content from your website and like optimize it by the SEO. So there we can only type our description of the product, and then it will pick for us the focus keywords that are the best. So for that case, I have the Midjourney AI art guide, AI photography tips, creative image creation, the Slack, meta description, everything like that. And there we've got a new piece of content, which is SEO optimized. And there, for instance, we can type something like, bold the parts which are SEO optimized. And afterwards, we have the better view of the content that have been optimized, alright? So there you can see, we have all of the parts of our new content. And for me, this is something really great when you would like to create better products, better descriptions, pages, everything like that. So we've got it, we covered 6 really useful GPTs in the GPT Store. As I told at the beginning, I have for you the gift. Namely, if you would like, feel free to check out my Custom GPT course, which is now 80% off, so for $14, alright? And there you will exactly learn step by step how to create your custom GPTs. You will have inside the 12 custom GPTs templates that you need to only copy and paste and then receive the custom GPTs. Also inside you will find how to connect your custom GPTs with the Zapier actions, like how to protect your custom GPT, how to work on the documents, advanced features, and also how to make money on your GPTs, alright, with the GPT Store. So basically the link would be in the description of this video, so feel free to check it out. As I told, it's for now the 80% off, so a huge discount. And for now that's everything. I will see you in the next video.